Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's explain how to fix that now. So V6, V8, Dodge Challenger, it will work on both of these. We'll demonstrate on V6 right here. Automatically most people will think that you actually have, guys, the fuse right here in this fuse box for the steering column control module, but it's not. It's actually, guys, in the trunk. So this Challenger was in a little bit of an accident, but we'll be fixing it here soon. Runs and drives like a champ. Amazing condition, except the wreck a little bit. But we'll open the trunk, and right here, guys, if you look, okay, we'll have under that cover for the trunk, you have your spare tire, you're going to have the car battery, and you're going to have, guys, okay, right here the fuse box. How you open it? Right here you press down and you pull up. We will need to check two fuses, guys, today. One is a 15 fuse, one is a 10 fuse. Well, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses first. These fuses, guys, okay, some of them you may be able to see if they're burnt or not, but sometimes you cannot clearly tell, or you may not think it's a burnt fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. And if you put it back in the fuse box, you'll spend time and money that you didn't have to, guys, to find a problem that doesn't exist. So always test fuses and relays. I'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test relays and fuses and find out if they're good or bad. So with that being said, which two fuses we need to check? One of them, guys, will be for the steering column module, guys, will be that fuse right here. So 1, 2, 3, that 10 fuse here will be the one that we need to check, and then check this one here as well. Okay, this one could be as well, it's for multiple things, but these two fuses will need to be tested. Now, many of you asked us in the comment section below, guys, to recommend a scanner for these modern vehicles, because there are so many on the market, and our favorite scanner that we purchased by ourselves, it's not sponsored, guys, scanner, this is our favorite too that we use daily, the Autel MK808. I'll put the link in the description of the video below if you need to buy one or check the current price and features. It works on almost any car you can think of, and it's a tool that can pay itself off in one-time use. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We, guys, have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.